Hello, English learners. Welcome back to your favorite place to learn English for real life. In today's lesson, we're listening to a real life office conversation during a coffee break. Two co-workers are talking about one of them being sent abroad by the company. We'll hear what skills and habits helped him get selected and the advice he gives his friend. And of course, we'll learn seven amazing phrases that are super important. Later, we'll practice with vocabulary with examples, shadowing with real lines from the conversation, comprehension questions, a strong reflection to help you grow. Ready to level up your business English? Then, let's go. Hey Jason, I heard some buzz around the office. Are you really going to Tokyo next month on a business trip? Yeah, man, it's official. I just got the confirmation email yesterday. Flights, hotel, everything paid by the company. That's incredible. I mean, I've always dreamed of that kind of opportunity. How did you even get chosen? I thought those trips were for upper management. Normally, yes. But the truth is, companies are starting to invest in employees who show initiative and strong cross functional skills. I've been working closely with the marketing and logistics team lately, so I've become kind of a bridge between departments. So, you're saying collaboration played a big role? Exactly. One thing I've learned is that if you want opportunities like this, you need to position yourself as indispensable. If they see you as someone who can represent the company well in a global setting, they'll choose you. That makes sense. But apart from being a team player, what else matters? Honestly, your ability to communicate with clarity, especially in high stakes situations. When I gave that presentation last quarter to the regional directors, I made sure every point was tight and tailored to their interests. That was a turning point. Right, I remember that. Everyone said you were on fire that day. Well, thank you. But it's also about soft skills. You need emotional intelligence, cultural awareness, and the ability to adapt on the fly. Business trips aren't vacations. You have to be productive, respectful, and sharp. Totally. So, how should someone prepare if they want that kind of opportunity? First, build a strong professional presence. That means dressing the part, speaking confidently, and being consistent. Then, start volunteering for cross department projects. Show you are proactive. And language skills? Absolutely. Being bilingual or at least conversational in other languages is a major plus. But even more important is knowing how to make connections. The company trusts people who can create meaningful relationships abroad. Man, I wish I'd started building that kind of profile sooner. It's never too late. Start small. Offer help outside your job description. Read about other markets. When you become globally minded, people notice. I love that. So, when are you flying out? 2 weeks. I'm giving a presentation, attending 2 client meetings, and even visiting a tech expo on behalf of the firm. Sounds intense. It is, but that's the thrill. Business trips like this push you to grow. You come back with more knowledge, confidence, and even new connections. Okay, last question. What's your number one tip? Simple. Don't wait for someone to give you the opportunity. Create value every day. When the moment comes, you'll already be the obvious choice. Thanks, man. You just gave me a whole new perspective. Anytime. And who knows? Maybe next time we'll be traveling together. Alright, let's explore the 7 advanced and essential phrases from the conversation. These are powerful expressions you can use in real life to sound more fluent and clear. We will see the meaning, 2 examples, and pronunciation. Number 1. Initiative. The meaning is the ability to take charge or begin something before others do. For example, she showed initiative by solving the issue before the manager even noticed. Example 2. Taking initiative at work can lead to promotions and recognition. Now repeat after me. Initiative. Initiative. Number 2. Position yourself as indispensable. The meaning is make yourself so useful and valuable that the team can't function well without you. Example 1. He worked hard to position himself as indispensable to the client team. Example 2. If you want to travel for work, you need to position yourself as indispensable. Now repeat after me. Position yourself as indispensable. Position yourself as indispensable. Number 3. Communicate with clarity. The meaning is express ideas clearly and effectively. Example 1. Great leaders know how to communicate with clarity in stressful moments. Example 2. If you want to impress during meetings, learn to communicate with clarity. Now repeat after me. Communicate with clarity. Communicate with clarity. Number 4. Adapt on the fly. The meaning is adjust quickly and effectively in changing or unpredictable situations. Example 1. Traveling for work requires the ability to adapt on the fly. Example 2. When the presentation equipment failed, she adapted on the fly and used her laptop. Now repeat after me. Adapt on the fly. Adapt on the fly. Number 5. Professional presence. The way you present yourself in a professional setting includes appearance, communication, and behavior. Example 1. He had a strong professional presence. People listened when he spoke. Example 2. Your professional presence is just as important as you resume. Now, repeat after me. Professional presence. Professional presence. Number 6. Globally minded. The meaning is a mindset that understands and respects different cultures and global perspectives. Example 1. She's very globally minded. She reads international news and studies foreign markets. Example 2. Companies want employees who are globally minded, not just locally smart. Now repeat after me. Globally minded. Globally minded. Number 7. Create value. The meaning is contribute something meaningful or useful to your team, company, or clients. Example 1. Every task is a chance to create value, even if it seems small. Example 2. He didn't wait for instructions. He found ways to create value from day one. Now, repeat after me. Create value. Create value. Well done. Now, shadowing section. Repeat each phrase after a short pause, trying to match the rhythm, pronunciation, and intonation. Do this 2 to 3 times for each sentence to train your mouth and ears in real English flow. In employees who show initiative and strong cross-functional skills. You need to position yourself as indispensable. Honestly, your ability to communicate with clarity. And the ability to adapt on the fly. First, build a strong professional presence. When you become globally minded, people notice. Create value every day. When the moment comes, you'll already be the obvious choice. Excellent. Now you will answer 3 questions about the conversation. You will be given some seconds to answer the question and then I will give you the answer. I recommend you to repeat the conversation part again before you go to this section. Remember, these questions are comprehension questions, and sometimes there is not an exact answer. But the main idea. Let's start. Number 1. Why is Jason going to Tokyo? The answer is because his company chose him for a business trip due to his initiative, ability to collaborate, and strong communication skills. Number 2. What skills or habits does Jason say are important to be chosen for a business trip? The answer is showing initiative, being indispensable, communicating with clarity, adapting on the fly, having a strong professional presence, and being globally minded. Number 3. What final advice does Jason give to Carlos? The answer is he tells Carlos not to wait for opportunities, but to create value every day so that when the time comes, he will already be the obvious choice. Great job, everyone! You've just completed a powerful lesson where we explored a meaningful debate and learned 7 essential vocabulary phrases that can really elevate your English. Remember, English is not about grammar and words, it's about expressing your ideas, values, and emotions. And topics like this help you do just that. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below telling us what would be your dream country to visit on a business trip. See you next time and keep learning with heart and curiosity. Bye for now.